Guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. Today I'm coming back to you with another Dollar Tree table setting. So this table setting was completely done with everything purchased from the Dollar Tree. Yes, so it is possible to achieve a very glamorous table setting on a budget. So what we have here first is the black plastic tablecloth, but you really don't pay attention to it because the table is filled with so many other beautiful things that kind of takes your guest mind off of that. It is a actual black tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. So we'll start here. We have the black and white napkin with the silver napkin ring. We have the black and white plate with the red plate on top. So as you can see, I just took this beautiful plate. I mean, this is actually cute by itself, but just to give it a little pop of color, I added the red cake plate. And then we have the red paper cup. Now, depending on how much money you want to spend, you could actually replace the paper cups with the Dollar Tree glassware. So you can actually get the glasses, you know, if you want to spend a little bit more money. But if you want to stay within a certain budget, you could always stick to the paper cups. And then we are moving next to the centerpieces, which are the glass vases, which I just got some of the Dollar Tree bling, and I just wrapped that around there and used my hot glue gun to attach it. Then we have the Dollar Tree candles and the Dollar Tree mirrors. Same thing with this one. We have the Dollar Tree candles and these other little glasses. And then for the main centerpiece, it is the same cylinder with the bling wrapped around. And then I actually just took one of the little lights, they come two in the pack, and put a little bling on it and added that inside the actual jar. I believe this is, what I use is 6 bundles of the roses. And speaking of roses, I got rose petals from the Dollar Tree, as you can see, all displayed in between the actual centerpieces. And then, let's see, we have, I believe that's it, you guys. Oh, nope, I forgot one thing. So one last thing is I'm a big believer in taking pictures for parties. So I throw a lot of parties and I like creating memories. And the best way to do that, of course, is by taking photos. So I created this backdrop right here. And all it is are circles just strung together. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make this, you can just click on the link below to see my tutorial on how to actually do this. So this is actually created using string from the dollar store and paper from the dollar store, construction paper. And you can have your guests stand in front of it and take pictures, and everything matches your theme. You can do this in any color that you like. The dollar store has so many different options of party wear, you know. So again, this is all done on the budget. I think it looks beautiful, and I think that your guests will be very shocked that you did all this and hardly spent any money on this glamorous Dollar Tree table setting. I thank you guys for watching again, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. If you guys have any suggestions of more videos of table settings coming from the Dollar Tree, just let me know. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.